Hey, LaMayo. What is poppin'? My chig boppins. What's going on? Welcome back to another live stream. Hopefully this time we actually get people watching it. Because the goddamn no, the last time we didn't get anyone. We had 0 viewers. Zilch. None. Nada. Oh! Zuckles just uploaded a new video. The Zuck. Oh, there's some leftover creamy pasta in the fridge. In a bowl. Add extra cheese if you feel like it. Thank you. Oh my god, thank you. Right, I got a link on it. Can't believe Zuckles uploaded a new video. Freaking Zuckles. The Zuck. Alright, I'm not going to post this on Facebook anymore. I'm not going to post it on Facebook. Can't be bothered. Can't be bothered. Actually, you know what? I can't be bothered. Let's get this out. Oh my god. Okay. More hotkeys. Oh no, I'm gonna get copyright striked. Ah. I was playing music in the background. I forgot to pause it. I'm gonna get copyright striked. I love copyright strikes. They're my favorite. They're my favorite. Alright. Alright. Alright, here is the goal today. Here is the goal. Here is the goal. Today we're going to be producing an awesome hotkey. An awesome hotkey. I've been developing it for a little while now. So here is what I've got working. Now, understand this. Working. Okay. Alright. So, basically what happens is I hold down numpad 1. Right? And as long as I'm holding it down, the cursor is locked to this position. Right? 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 Right. Kind of. I can move it around. But it'll always go back. Actually, let's try this out. I'm not even sure if that works. Hold on. Hold on. Let's... Alright. That's a bit of a flaw, isn't it? Wow, I didn't even pick that up. Huh. Okay, well, that's a bit of a problem. Okay, set key delay 0. And now we want to go into... I'm working in a script called Doki Fuck You. I'll explain the premise behind it in a minute. Alright, we'll copy that. We'll go into Doki Fuck You copy. We'll go there, there. Get rid of the comments, because I don't really need that right now. We want to get rid of that. We just want to block the mouse movement. We just want to block mouse. And then we want to go back there, and then we want to go block input off. Oh. Oh, I didn't know that. Control S. Right. Reload the script. So now let's try, if we hold down numpad 1, it's still, what? 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 Alright, let's try send end mouse. Okay, so that's the problem I'm facing right now, guys. This is the problem. I can't show you. Actually, wait, I can. I can. Hold on. Hold on. Display capture. Create new. Second monitor. Oh, I can't. Hold on. Video. Oh, God. Output, audio, video, hotkeys, yada, 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 yada. Okay. Turns out I can't. Okay, I'll explain it to you. Okay, so the way the hotkey works is I hold down numpad 1. Sends a point to this cursor, to this point, which is the scale value, clicks in there, and then whenever I go scroll wheel up, it increases the value in the box by 0.2. So essentially, that means I can increase it by 0.02 and the scale gets bigger. The problem is that if I scroll too quickly, it defaults it back to 0, which is not good. And I don't know why. But I wrote down some code here that I wanted to try. I want it so that in numpad 1 sends plus 0.2, and numpad 4 sends plus 5, and numpad 7 goes plus 10. So we're going to have to code that. So we've got numpad 2, and then let's code numpad 4. And basically, it's exactly the same code. The only difference is we just have to go end. So we'll go end 1 here, and this is end 1. This is end 4. This is end 4. End 4. And then we create another hotkey, numpad 7, and that's the same code again. It's just this right here is numpad n7, n7, and n7. This is end 4, and then this is end 1. Okay, right click, reload script, no problems. So now we go into Premiere, and I click on this. Right, hold down numpad 1, back. Hold down numpad 4. Whoa, that's weird. Why does that not work? Numpad 4 does not work, everybody. It's exactly the same code. Ah! Dadoy! You have to change this. Numpad 4. Numpad 4. And this becomes numpad 7, and this becomes numpad 7. See, it's shit like that that catches people out, but you'd never understand it. So now we go into here, hold down numpad 1, that works. Numpad 4, yeah. Numpad 7, yeah. Okay. We're good. Okay. Alright. We're in work and business. So now what we're going to do is improve this wheel up function. Right? That's what we want to do. We want to send a bunch of enters down here so I can work with this. And oh my god, I cannot stress this enough. If you're working in AutoHotkey and you're working with a specific program, Arnav, if you are listening to this and you're making hotkeys for your music making software, oh my god, just figure out what the executable is and make the hotkey specific to that. Because as soon as I'm in Premiere, all these hotkeys work. As soon as I come out of Premiere, they don't work. Zilch, they don't work. For other ones like window switching, that's universal. For other ones like this, the keystroke fizz, non-specific because I like having that on my screen. But for this, I just want it to work in Premiere. Okay. So Now that we've got this, now that we've got all of these, so what we're going to do is here, we're just going to comment this and just go increase by 0.2. Then we're going to comment this and go increase, increase by 5. And then this one is going to be increased by 10. Comment. And just to let you know, everybody, if you're watching this, in AutoHotkey, a semicolon means that that whole entire line is commented out. Cool. Okay, now that we've got that, what we want to do is we want to change the wheel up hotkey. Because we can get numpad 1, numpad 4, and numpad 7 to do all of that, but they are essentially the same key. They're the same key. They do the same thing. Right? Okay. Really, I could probably go numpad 1, numpad 4, or numpad 7. It wouldn't matter. Because they're all the same. Alright. So now what we're going to do is we want to create 3 advar variables. We want advar 0.2. So let's see if that works, actually. Let's see if that works. We don't want to do this. I'm glad it does this. Right? But let's create a message box. Will now be percentage add var 0.2 percentage. Alright, let's see how that goes. So let's okay, I thought so. Okay. That's okay. I understand why that doesn't work. So let's go 0.2. Okay. So advar 0.2, and essentially it's exactly the same. We're just creating a few more variables. So AutoHotkey, if you shit yourself, I know something else is happening because this code is identical. So now we want to go advar 5. And we basically just go zoop and boop and yeah. And then instead of plus 0.2, we go plus 5. And then now we just go add var 10 and bup, and then change this to a 10. Okay. This is where it gets tricky. Now we want to go. Who am I getting messages from? Who am I getting messages from? Who am I getting messages from? I'll give it to you tomorrow. Thank you. Okay. We've got this down packed. I know I can get this working. We have faith, boys. We have faith. And boys and girls. Gameplay plus webcam. Why isn't the webcam showing up? Webcam, where are you? Move. Yes. Hookah chaka, hookah, hookah, hookah chaka, hookah, hookah. Okay. So now we've got that. So we've got a few variables. So now what we want to do is we want to go if get key state, and we want, oh my god, that dog, man. And we want it to detect if numpad 1 is being pressed. And if it is being pressed, then we want to send advar 02. Right? Then we want to go if get key state numpad 4, rather, is equal to 1. We want to send advar 5. This is how it's all coming together. If this works, I'm gonna be so happy. If get key state numpad 1 p is equal to 1, send advar 10. That should be it. Didn't spit out any errors. Didn't spit out any errors. Okay. Didn't spit out any errors. Alright. Alright, we got this. We just gotta believe, everybody. I'm getting nervous, man. I'm getting nervous. Alright. We should do it. Oh, man, if this works. It's not working. I don't know why it's not working. Fuck. Maybe it can't handle all the variables happening. So what we want to do is go like that. And I can understand if it can't handle that. Let's try it now. Oh. Okay, this is an issue. Okay, we've got it to work again. Maybe. Oh. Oh. Else if. So what we want to do now is open that, close that. Right? We're getting dangerously close here. If I can work this out. Wheel end. Go to wheel end. Wind. That did not work. Okay. Cut. I think the problem is it can't pass through previous points in the hotkey. I think if I got it to execute, the code looks messy now, but I think if I got it to execute another, like a virtual key hotkey. Why is this not working? Now let's see if it works. Won't work. Why? Hmm. Alright, let's try this. VK 0x7E. Is that it? Doop. Doop. Erika. if we use go sub? Is go sub the one we want to use? Go sub. Okay. Okay, it can't call on me. That is the problem. No matter how many times I scroll, it won't let me do that. I'm blocking the input. Always. Always, always, always. Think. Think while you code. Okay, it's still not even working. Okay. I've got an idea. Get key state. Export into variable. State 1. Numpad 1. If state 1 is equal to D, something to do with this. I know it is. I can smell it. I can smell it. I need cold water. Let's program just F8. I like that key. If get key state F8 P is equal to 1, go sub BK return. That would be why. Okay, that works. Get key state F8. People think that programming hotkeys is a ton of fun. It's really not. It's really, really, really not. I don't know what I did. Help, 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 help. Help. I know what I did. When in doubt, restart the program. There we go. Whoa, what the hell? Update packages? No. remove all the comments. Line 66. Oh. There you go. Hopefully this doesn't... Why? Who just messaged me? What is a Gorgon? It's a monster. It is a monster. That's what a Gorgon is. That's what a Gorgon is. Surprisingly. Why is this code not working? Nice. Yeah, it is. That's it. I'm starting afresh. I'm exporting all of this into another script, and I'm then blitzing all of that. Okay. So, what do we know works? We know that works. We know that works. We know that works. We know. Okay. What else are you telling me? Magnum Dong. From my Magnum Dong. Love that video. You know, I'm gonna pin this. I'm gonna pin this to the taskbar. Okay. Here's a question. If I set up a variable, and we just go say, variable yeet, right? We go variable yeet. Let's just copy this. Copy is equal to this, and we'll go 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, minus 1, that's 3 quick maths. Now, we'll create a hotkey, and we'll create wheel up, right? Message box. Let's see if that works. My Magnum Dong. Alright. Yeet is equal to, and it doesn't give me anything. Okay, yeah, that's cool. That's awesome. Yeah, nice. Does this have to be inside of here? Yeet is equal to 4. So here's my next question. Can I take this, copy that, so let's comment this out. Basically, when I send yeet, I want it to do this shit. Copy. Let's say Q. Q is a good one. We'll go add bar 5. Yada 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 yada. Oh, what if I just set up a massive loop meme? Comment. In that loop, we paste this in. This is the code that I'm so sure should work. 0.2, 0.2. Okay, yeah, I will enjoy my double-edged saber. Sorry, auto hotkey. Okay, so now it's constantly looping. I wonder if I could just go numpad 1 wheel up. Let's have a look. Let's get it back to a working order. This was the code that worked. That was the code that worked. Let's try this. Oh, you man, Charlie, you left a whole bunch of stuff at my house today. Ah, doesn't matter. It's alright. Advar 2. What about Advar 2? What? What? Advar 2. There we go. Okay, fixed. Now Advar 3. Alright, that works. maybe. Oh shit. We do not want to do that. Well, after an hour of just working now, hours of time last night, I just realized get key state doesn't work on mouse wheels. So yeah, I gotta admit I feel kind of dumb. Um, which it doesn't. Well, it does happen a bit, but I kind of do feel dumb for not realizing that. I've just wasted hours of time on code that doesn't even work. Um, so I feel kind of bad. Um, the best I can do is using the mouse buttons. So I'm gonna hold down this button, this button, button 1, button 2, button 3. Is that button 4 and button 5? I need to... Whoa, that's really fast. Alright. There's a good way to do this. And there's a bad way to do this. The good way would be to actually go to the developer's website and figure out which button it is. The bad way is just going mouse 4, click, return, reload. Oh. Hold up. Hey, what a hockey. X button 1. Okay, X button 1 is the back button. Okay. The easiest way I can get this working in the least amount of time, which is what I want, is to simply do this. Watch and learn, kiddos. This is how I master codes. If get key state X button X button 2, P, wait a second, could I just... Okay. I want to try this first. Bop, 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 bop. Advar 2 and Advar 3. We want to change this to X button 2 to increase. Alright, well, I just wasted a ton of time again. But it's good that I tried. It's good that I tried. So that breaks the loop. That, in theory, should work. Once again. Alright. Let's see how far it gets. Sometimes you forget you're live streaming. I forgot I was live streaming. Ooh. You. Oh Lord. There's a story behind why I called it Doki Fuck You. I may as well tell the story. I need a break. I need to tell a story. To anyone who's watching on stream, I got recommended to play a game called Doki Doki Literature Club. And it's a really, really, really weird game. Really out there. And, I got recommended to play it. And it's basically a game where you just click. It's really boring. For me, at least. If you like reading the story, then you'll enjoy it. I hated it. But I got bored of it around about halfway through. So I decided, you know what? I'm going to make a hotkey. It's going to auto-click for me. And it started out as when I would click Q, it would click left click. So I'd just hold down Q, and it would click left click. But it wasn't going fast enough, so I created a loop that repeated so fast. It brought my game from 120 FPS to 20 FPS. It was insane. I got through a 5-hour game in around about half an hour at that point. It was really quick. Highly recommend it. I haven't uploaded it to my GitHub. I probably never will, mainly because it's called Doki Fuck You. But if anyone actually wants the code, I can send it to them or put it somewhere. I don't know. But I needed this code. This looping stuff is the basis for what I've got here, which was actually built on top of the timeline scrubbing mod. Heavily altered, of course. But yeah, it's just what I'm doing now. So that's why it's called Doki Fuck You. And now, back into the juice. Oh no. Therein lies the problem. Um, okay. If we have that there, in theory I should just fix it. Okay, we need it higher. We're working on this sleep. We just need to find the optimal amount of sleep. Okay. 75. What about 75? How does 75 do? Okay, increase it up to 80. It's all about finding the sweet spot. It's all about finding the sweet spot. 90. Okay, I'm pretty sure 100 it's necessary. Okay. We did it. I worked it out. Worked it the fuck out. Amateur F3 when? I don't know. Let's load into Amateur F. Let's see what I had going. Let's have a look. It should be on Siron. Let's have a look. Oh god, oh no, I didn't think of this. I didn't think this through. Okay, hold on. So I'm opening up my project file from when I was working on Amateur F3. Let's see how this goes. Yeah, okay. Oh, wow. I was actually quite a bit through it. Oh my god. This is ancient. This is absolutely ancient. This is... Oh my god. This was forever ago when I was working on this. Let's have a look at this. Let's get a copyright strike, huh?
Let's get down to business. I don't got no time to play around. What is this?
Hello there.
Welcome to Amateur Chef.
Finally, we're back.
I think that's where the video just starts. That was the whole thing, and I got through doing this.
Let's get down to business. I don't got no time to play around. What is this?
Hello there.
There you go. That's Amateur F. And now, back to editing. Yeah, boy. Okay, so I would like to point out to everyone that we have, in fact, got this working. So now all I need to do is copy that, go here, copy that in, go here, copy that in, and bada bing, bada boom. Change this to +5. Change this to +10. Save. Reload. Now if I go here, set this back to 100. So let's try it out. Hold down 1. 1, 2, 3. So there's that. So now we hold down 4. There we go. Now we hold down 7. Very nice. And I'll program a hotkey to reset it back to 100 by just clicking middle mouse or something like that. All right. So on the 5.1 it's okay. On the on the 10.1, I'm gonna increase the sleep on the 10.1. That's just because I like having a little more. Oh shit. Oh yeah. I just like having a little more control over the 10.1. I'm actually going to try 200 sleep on all of them. Just play around with that. Okay. Now what I want to do is I want to set it so that it sends enter after every click. So I want to take this out, paste it in there, then also send enter, which negates the need for that. Let's try this out. Okay, never mind, that doesn't work as well. Doesn't work as well. That's okay. Alright. That's cool and all, everybody. That's really cool and all. But we do not have a way to zoom out. That is very, very bad. X button 1. Negative. X button 1. Negative. X button 1. Negative. Reload the script. Alright. So now hey! Alright. So watch this. Bop, 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 bop. What? What? Why did it not work? Oh. So we're at 200% zoom now. We can bring it out to 100%. 200%. All right. All right. I'm liking this. I'm really liking this. actually works. The only thing I don't really like is this. Hold down numpad 1, increase it by, I don't know, like 0.2. Bam. So back here. Then hold down numpad 4, and the mouse flings all the way over onto my third monitor. Not back to the original screen. So I'm pretty sure. Chord mode, mouse, screen. Let's try that. Very nice. Alright, I think I fixed it. Shit, I launched Windows file. Reload. Alright, I think I just fixed it. Let's have a gand. 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 7. 7, 4, 1. 1, 4, 7. Alright. Hotkey done, everybody. Hotkey done. That is. This right here is my latest masterpiece. Oh. My latest masterpiece. Look at this. Oh. And this can be applied to anything. Anything. Position. Scale. Rotation. Rotation would be a super easy one. This makes me so happy. There's probably a better way to do it. But this is the way that I did it. There's another. What I worked on this from 10 till now, so it's 2 hours, and I worked on it for 3 hours last night. This is another 5-hour project. I do all my best work in the early hours in the morning. But it's just like this. It's just like the typing hotkey. So what I can do now is I can paste these into my Premiere hotkey script. And zoop. So we're gonna comment and we're gonna call it. We're gonna call it. What are we gonna call it? Effect controls variable changing. Exit. Random scripts. Auto hotkey. Alright, let's try this out. Premiere hotkeys, timeline scrubbing, typing hotkey, window switching, keystroke viz. She works like a charm. Mwah. Mwah. Ah, thank God. Alright, I want to program one more thing into this. One more. Just one. I want to program the M button to reset it back to 100. Get key state. State. M button. If state equal D, let me test this out. Let me just see. Alright, now I know how it works. So let's change this up. Make it like 130. This is the problem with having so many scripts open, you don't know which one's which. Alright, that's zoomed in. Okay, it doesn't really work. Forgot the sleep because it's in a loop. I forgot the sleep. Never forget the sleep. Let's just launch Premiere Hotkeys for now. Alright, cool. That works. It works. Da 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 da. I just wanted to send Control A again. Just to make it like the others. Because I like everything being the same. So now instead of doing some random thing, does that, text stays blue, I don't get screwed over. It's over. That's it. The saga's done. This hotkey is over. Clocking in today at 1 hour 58 minute with pretty much everything in the script changing except for a few lines up here that I could do in like 2 seconds. We went from, what did we go from? We went from using the mouse wheel to using virtual keys to testing with F8 to more wheel up. Then we went to using these and testing these and trying to. Then we figured out which one was X1 1 and X1 2. Then we went here. Now we're here. Hallelujah. Praise the Lord. Alright. Now I can edit efficiently and effectively in Premiere. Thank you for tuning into the stream tonight. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Thank you for coming along on this hotkey journey with me. It's not often that I do these videos. It really is not. It's not often. But when I do, I hope that you guys enjoy them. And I hope you enjoy figuring out the wonders of code with me. And figuring out how to get things working. And I hope you enjoyed my buttery smooth voice. I've been Humorous Gorgon, and I will see you